piece. It's completely indicative of you and what you've done with it. But on the flip side, the longevity of wax canvas is you can re-wax it. It adds another layer of weather resistance, which we'll get to. Question number 4, something that we often get asked, is how warm is the Flannel Lined Trucker Jacket, or how weather resistant?
Megan, I think I'm gonna buy this
This jacket's great
jacket
three-season jacket. I would say 3 season plus. In the
for
warmer,
no reason
cool summer
other than I
nights, spring, early
really
fall,
need it.
you can easily wear this with a t-shirt.
Well, if you think you
This
need it.
jacket really excels also when you layer it, whether that's with a party sweatshirt or a sweat.
Just got an
It's
email
a
from
really well
Huckberry, and I'm
interior.
watching a video from Huckberry. This is
It's
weird.
hardy, it's cozy, but
I
it's thin.
wonder what it says. Megan, listen to this. So, this is from Huckberry. It says, "Hey Seth, this is Charles from Huckberry. Just wanted to let you know that we really like your videos, and we've decided to send you a package. Your package is waiting at the coordinates below. You have 1 hour to get there from the time you tap the coordinates. Good luck." I don't want to tap it. I don't know how far away it's going to be. Oh, I know where that's at. Come on, we gotta go. We gotta go. We got a package to get.
Oh, I see the beacon. It's like right there. We are so close. Big puddle. All right, we're getting super close. Right there's the beacon. I can see it. It's coming straight out of the trees. We are right there. We're gonna find out what Huckberry has sent for us. I can't believe we actually found it. What was that?
This is Huckberry Team 1 to Austin, just relaying. He is at the package.
Oh, it's another email from Huckberry. It says, "Hey Seth, Charles again. We saw that you arrived at the package." How have they seen that I... These dudes are crazy. "We hope you enjoy. Everything should fit." I still don't understand where these guys are at that they see me. Let's check it out. This is crazy. Look at all this stuff that they sent. I mean, I've got 1, 2, 3, of the 72-hour merino wool t-shirts from Proof. I've got a polo, 72-hour merino wool polo. I've got, what's this? 72-hour merino ultralight quarter zip from Proof, all from Proof. This is the Flint and Tinder 10-year hoodie, zip-up jacket. Pretty excited about that one. Simple waffle robe, 100% cotton made in Portugal. Who's this by? Doesn't say. We'll figure that out later. I'm pretty excited about these. Look at this. So then, exactly what I was watching earlier. I think Huckberry, you guys you're like in my house. You're in my like, camera system or something. So this is the Flint and Tinder, the canvas, what is it? Flannel lined wax trucker jacket in Havana. And this thing patinas incredibly. Every jacket is completely different after it's been worn a while. No one jacket is the same. Then we've got 2 pair of pants here, both Flint and Tinder. I think these are their, what are they? 365 pants. Tapered. These things will look super high quality. So we've got all of this cool stuff. And then they sent us this too. This is insane. It is a towel set, waffle knit bath towels. These things feel incredible. They're soft. They look high quality. The stitching is incredible. Huckberry, thank you. This is this is incredible. I mean, not only is all of this stuff super cool, I can't wait to try it on. I can't wait to really dive into every little detail about this stuff. But also, I mean, look where we're at. This area just feels like Huckberry. When I look at Huckberry's website, I think about coming out to a place like this and just being in raw nature here in Colorado. So what you can expect from every one of these reviews, we are going to be somewhere cool in Colorado that holds this feeling. I can't wait. There's so much to come. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I hit 30 years old. It's been all uphill from here. I am super excited to take this channel in a direction that a lot of clothing channels don't go. I don't want to stand in front of my living room wall. I don't want to sit at my kitchen table. I don't want just the same bland clothing review that's on every other channel. I want to come out, I want to test all of these products. I want them to be used in the way that they were intended. And whether we're dressing classically and nice, we're going to be out somewhere doing that. If we have rugged stuff like this, we're going to be in a rugged area just like that. I'm super excited for everything. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram. Everything is modestly minimal. If you're looking to pick something up from Huckberry, use the link in the description below. See you on the next one. This is mine. If you litter in nature, I heard Huckberry will come and take all of your clothes out of your closet. Don't litter. Keep areas like this clean. Don't litter, or Huckberry will find you. This is